Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 1. Adam. Name: Adam. Title: First human and first prophet of Islam. Before creation, Allah said to the angels, "Indeed, I will place upon the earth a successive authority." Creation from clay. Allah created Adam from sounding clay, like pottery. Allah breathed into him. Allah fashioned Adam and breathed into him from his spirit. Command to prostrate. Angels commanded to prostrate. All angels prostrated to him except Iblees. Life in paradise. Adam and Hawwa, that is Eve, lived in Jannah. They were told not to eat from a specific tree. First Tawbah. They said, "Our Lord, we have wronged ourselves. If you do not forgive us and have mercy on us, we will certainly be losers." Forgiveness. Allah forgave them. Descent to earth. They were sent to earth as part of Allah's plan. There you will live, there you will die, and from there you will be resurrected. His wife, Hawwa, Eve, created from Adam himself. His children, Qabil, Cain, Habil, Abel, and many others. They were born as twins, a boy and a girl in each birth. Lineage. All of humanity descends from Adam. Message. Taught Tawheed, worship one God, lived as a Muslim. Islam was the original religion. Death. Adam lived for approximately 1,000 years. His grave, his burial place is disputed. Some say in India, others say near Makkah or in Jerusalem. Key qualities. First human, first prophet, taught language and knowledge, created with dignity, chosen by Allah. Why it matters? His story teaches Tawbah is accepted, Shaitan deceives, and obedience is success. All this is backed by authentic, verified Qur'an and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.